Hello, my name is Emily and I work at Moffatt Powell Rona as a kitchen designer. Today we are looking at Kirk and Lori Argo's kitchen, which was renovated and installed by us. At Moffatt Powell Rona, we work with you to come up with your dream kitchen. We strive to create the most beautiful space possible while still keeping functionality in mind. Our goal is to keep our clients happy and as stress-free as possible during the entire process, start to finish.
Here at the cottage, the kitchen was built in 1981 and it was very old and dated, and we just needed some life added to the kitchen.
We used white shaker-style thermofoil cabinets made locally in London by Kutchin. The countertop is the brushed aluminum laminate top from the Top Shop in London. These soft close cabinets were placed right to the ceiling to maximize the storage space, as there's limited space in this open concept room. We were able to work with the existing island in this kitchen and reface the doors, put on a new countertop, and shiplap was used on the back and sides of the island. When replacing the countertop, seating was added to two of the sides to create a breakfast bar. Adding seating to the island created a more welcoming atmosphere to the kitchen.
Thank you very much, Moffatt & Powell, for making everything so smooth. We had the best service that we could possibly imagine. They were always trying to help us. It was a quick turnaround and we are just thrilled.
We are very grateful that Kirk and Lori Argo chose us to help them design and install their kitchen.